turn.
This is Mayuri. We are writing some sentences on active voice and passive voice.
Now I am writing active voice.
I am writing the passive voice.
First one. She eats food.
Food is eaten by her.
He kicks the ball.
Ball is kicked by him.
Modi cleans Ayodhya.
Ayodhya cleaned by Modi. Ayodhya is cleaned by Modi.
She decorates flowers.
Flowers are decorated by her.
I complete assignments.
Assignments are completed by me.
Sir teaches Python class.
Python class taught by Sir. Python class is taught by Sir.
They play cricket.
Cricket is played by them.
She drinks water.
Water is drunk by her.
Mayuri cooks biryani.
Biryani is cooked by Mayuri.
She writes the notes.
The notes are written by her.
She see.
Start.
She eats food.
Food is eaten by her.
He kicks the ball.
Ball is kicked by him.
Modi cleans Ayodhya.
Ayodhya is cleaned by Modi.
She decorates flowers.
Flowers are decorated by her.
I complete assignments.
Assignments are completed by me.
Sir teaches Python class.
Python class is taught by sir.
They play cricket.
Cricket is played by them.
She drinks water.
Water is drunk by her.
Mayuri cooks biryani.
Biryani is cooked by Mayuri.
She writes the notes.
The notes are written by her.
Thank you.